Look at this lovely tree here.
Be on this side of it.
Oh, okay. My bad.
Open the door. Amanda.
I'm going.
Do that.
I'm coming. I'm trying to take a video of it, sir.
Oh.
I guess we're going to the lights. To the lights. This says it's the exit. There's a lot of people out here. I asked Drew where he was going. And what did you say, Drew?
Don't know.
What trail are you going on?
I'm going on the one that's got the food truck over
The
there.
one that doesn't have kids. That's what he said.
For all the people, man. I feel
There
like,
are a lot of
like,
people
get the hell
here.
off my back, man. Like either go around me or go somewhere else.
Where are we
No,
at?
we are here.
Okay, we are here.
Stars.
What are we going towards?
Let's go check out this food.
I want to see the lights. We just saw the Luminaria path. Okay, this is Moonlight under the stars. Oh, food under the stars or something. Whatever it is, it's a shit ton of people. A shit ton of people. I said it twice for emphasis because there's so many people out here.
Oh, you know you're getting that. They got a fried plantain sandwich.
Ooh, fried plantain sandwich is calling my name. But still, these are the food trucks. Ooh, they got a good selection. They have these boards that you can draw on. Or write a note. Let's see what over here it says. This says a yurt on a yak. Okay. This one says Darwin was here. Hi, Darwin. This is a cool palm tree.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It is a platform really good at charades, right?
What else we got over here? Oops. This one says, oh, it's a beautiful butterfly. Doesn't really say anything. Happy birthday to you. There's a nice little cat. No, I think that's a cat. It's a dog. That is a mermaid dog. How cool. Mermaid dog. Oh, I love it. Super cool. I lost my peeps. What's down there? Peeps.
Pretty cool chandelier thing that everybody wants to play with.
Let's go see it.
Yes.
Heaters, because it is cold out here. I'm down with the heater.
So there's no lights that way, right? I guess like everything is tracked.
Let's see what's happening here.
All right, focus with you.
He's making some art. cool. Are you gonna take a photo of me?
The Japanese garden.
We're gonna walk over this here bridge.
I made this one for.
Usually the curves did that.
I think we've been here before.
No, we haven't been over here.
I feel like we've been here before. Gold stripe cast iron plant. It's doing well. A lot of the plants, it froze like last night. So, and it's gonna freeze again tonight. So, a lot of the plants are struggling around here. We had a full standing banana plant a couple days ago, and it is not standing now. Is that a merkabala? Merkaba? Is that what it's called?
No. It's a spiraling square. Hey, look, get a picture of me like this.
Okay, hold on. I believe we are approaching the orb garden. Oh, look how colorful it is. So pretty. These are orbs. Babe, come take my picture with us.
So they were the
So cool. There is many. What
Gotta
are,
get a video of the floor.
what are they called? Mandala makers? They make mandalas. We need these at like a club. These would be great at like rave-esque clubs. This is the rooftop. Let's see what's going down.
If you want someone to take the front of the stroller to go down the stairs, I'm willing to.
This is a view of the whole place. No, just a little bit, but a lot more than you'd see down there. It is really cold. I feel like my fingers are about to fall
At
off.
that point, you don't have to come back upstairs. There's lots of food.
We are up on top. Their cactus is still alive. My cactus is also still alive. Fighting through the frost. Oh, there you are. Which way?
That way.
Straight?
Spiky plants over there.
Spiky plants. There's the spiky plants. Okay. I think we should go in and warm up for a minute. Warm up. My fingers feel like they're gonna fall off. You're okay? It's cold. You can get a postcard or a button that says more plants, less problems, or Moonlight in the Garden 2022. Or a t-shirt. Or apparently a turkey baster. Or wreath. It's a rock garden. Alright. And they're packing it up. It didn't last for long. Get away from those children, babe, before they knock you over.